Central BCC to Adam Boy and Truck 1 on TAC 1.
U1, go ahead.
U1, SWAT is needed for high-risk arrest warrant service and possible hostage rescue at 25 Glendive Lane, Bronx. Detective 39 Adam requests you respond quickly but without lights and sirens. Suspect is wanted on multiple homicide and kidnapping charges. Suspect is a potential serial offender, likely to have a hostage victim inside. Suspect is believed to be mentally unstable. Expect erratic and dangerous behavior.
U1, roger. Show us en route. ETA, driving time. Get ready, man. This is a tough one. Our target, Lawrence Fairfax, is the #1 suspect in a string of grisly homicides. A bit of review. Over the last year and a half, 7 women, all of them studying at the State University, disappeared. Their remains, showing signs of torture and dismemberment, reappeared anywhere from a week to 3 weeks later. The killer was careful. The task force forensic team was unable to get a useful DNA match from any of the bodies. That changed with the most recent find. Another victim was located earlier this morning by a local laborer. Some of the DNA scrapings from her nails match one of the men being investigated by the task force, Lawrence Fairfax. There's a complication. Another student, Melinda Klein, went missing sometime around 2000 on October 18th. That was 6 days ago. If Fairfax has her, and if he's following the profile, chances are good she's still alive. Rescuing her is your first priority, which is why we're going in with no warning. About our suspect. Fairfax is employed as a temporary carpenter and works off and on at the university. No police record, but court records show a pair of expired restraining orders against him. He's been suspended from a recent job site for stealing supplies. Fairfax's co-workers don't say much about him. He keeps to himself. He's been at the law library multiple times, most notably on the days before the disappearance of 3 of our victims, including Melinda Klein. A police interview with him was inconclusive, but the detective responsible did acquire a DNA sample from a used tissue. Fairfax was seeing a psychiatrist when he was laid off. We've been unable to access his records. The psych warned us that Fairfax may have fortified his living areas. Be alert for traps, especially in spaces only Fairfax uses. He lives with his mother, Gladys Fairfax. She's a recluse, and due to health problems, rarely leaves the house. We don't have reason to believe she's involved, but stay on your toes. Fellas, seconds may be the difference between life and death for Melinda Klein. Study the layout, choose your gear, and get moving.
39 Adam, this is Central BCC. Adam Boy and Truck 1 responding to 25 Glendive Lane for high-risk warrant service.
Gold. Regroup. Be ready to move.
Copy. On our way.
Mirror
in position.
Under the door. Got it.
Getting the tools up front. No suspects visible. Nothing to worry about.
Get ready on the door. Check it.
Door's unlocked.
Open it up and go.
Let's roll. Moving on. Jackson, it's clear.
Clear.
We're in the house and
It's
continuing
clear.
on.
Roger that. Proceed with caution.
Fall in on me.
On your 6.
dare you come
What is
in
that
here?
smell?
Get down!
Unarmed contact.
Get down!
No
Hands in
suspects
the air!
In here?
This one's
Melinda,
stubborn.
If you can hear me, honey.
Out of my house,
you.
On the
you!
ground, now!
And I'd like to say, whoever
Civilian has
Take her into
complied.
custody.
I beg you,
On it, sir.
please.
I'm warning you. Don't test me.
My Lawrence didn't do anything.
team. Civilian
He couldn't have.
for transport.
Get down!
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Check behind the door.
On it, sir.
SWAT with me. There's no one in sight.
Mirror under the
It's all
door.
clear there.
Affirmative.
Getting the tools up front. No suspects visible.
Open it quietly.
It's clean,
Roger.
boss.
Getting the picks out, sir. It's unlocked.
Fall in and stay close. I'll take
That's
point.
my mark you're at. With you.
Check behind the door.
Copy, boss.
Let's play it safe. Use the wand.
Got it. I got it, boss. There's no one in sight. It's all clear there.
Stack up on that door.
Roger. Working on it.
Fall in and prepare to move.
With you.
Creepy basement, check. Creepy rat cages, check.
That's right, Lisa. According to police, another female body was discovered this morning. It is believed that this young woman is also a victim of the so-called law school lyncher. According to our sources, the police are completely stumped.
Mirror under the door.
Roger that, sir.
Copy. It'll just take a minute.
I don't feel good about this. Not one bit.
No suspects visible. Looks clean.
Move up. Check the door.
It's locked, boss.
Pick it.
I'm opening it, boss. Door's unlocked.
Open and clear. Move when ready.
Time to move! Trailers, move in! Room clear.
Clear. This is disgusting.
Reynolds, area clear.
Stack up on that door.
Copy. On it. Door isn't locked.
Check behind the door.
SWAT with me. There's no one in sight. Looks clean.
Get in there and clear.
Go, go, go! Time to move! Moving on, trailers. In position, clear. It's
Area
clear.
clear.
Reynolds clear.
Holy Sigmund Freud.
TOC, this is entry team. We found an unidentified female victim in need of medical assistance.
Roger. Notifying EMTs. Keep us informed.
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the EMTs.
Fall in
Copy.
on me.
EMTs standing by.
We're with you.
This is disgusting. I mean, Python is pretty disgusting, but this is worse.
I know where you live, Fields.
Smile for me, baby.
Police! Put your hands up!
me, please!
Contact has complied. Tie him
Suspect
down.
compliant. Got it. Don't touch me.
Suspect
Don't touch me.
Entry team to TOC. Civilian is okay. Entry team to TOC. We found...
Good work, guys. Let's head to debrief.